Student loans, student loans, student loans. It's been a crazy problem for a lot of you, right? Items in deferment, late payments. It's just been a nightmare with student loans. So there are a few ways you can get student loans deleted. And below, you're going to see the letters that you can use. Pick the one that works for you. My best recommended letter for student loans is the FERPA. You'll see that one. You'll see that one down here. So let me go share screen and show you why the student loans can be deleted from your credit. So what you're seeing here, ladies and gentlemen, is Cornell law, right? And one of the things that we need to know before we go into Cornell law, there's a law called FERPA, right? And this law protects your account information and your student loan records. Now, this law, the Family Educational Rights and Privacy Act, FERPA, it gives you a lot of protection on how your information is to be protected from unauthorized access, right? So it goes into more details, and my letters have this law and how to properly structure this dispute to put inside of your letters to get your student loans deleted. In addition to FERPA, there's another law, 15 U.S.C. 6802, where we're also opting out of having our information shared. So FERPA combined with the opting out of your information, this is how we get student loans deleted. Guys, you don't have to worry about how you're going to get student loans deleted. The dispute letter is right here. All you need to do is get it. These are the laws that are in there, and these, like, it's already structured for you. All you need to do is take the student loan deletion letter, send it off to your student loan servicer. And if they give you any, if they challenge it, then no, you can go into a round 2. But the first thing you need to comprehend is this. You never gave any rights to any student loan servicer. You don't have any contractual obligation with them. So the fact that they're reporting your information without your written consent, without any contractual obligation, and the fact that it's a violation of your FERPA rights, this is more than enough for you to sue them on. But before you get to the suit, they will more than likely get the student loans deleted from your consumer reports. Use this letter below and hey, get those student loans deleted. All right. I'm going to see you later.